Credits to Ricardo Antonio Gonzalez for that double kill comment. This keyboard is priced around 750 pesos or around 15 US dollars. So we will judge it based on its price. Some few expectations I have had already are a flimsy body and the keycaps with no printings. Let's take a look at the Zypher Vodnik together. First off, its build quality is acceptable given the price. It creaks everywhere, but the machining of the external parts and the plastic are good enough for my taste. And the keycaps are very similar to the keycaps of the budget TKL keyboard I reviewed on this channel as well, which is the Leven K550 from JK Tech. The cable is non-detachable and is panned to the right side of the keyboard. I hope it was placed on the left, but hey, it's alright, it's cheap. Underneath the keyboard you get kick-up feet that do not have rubber underneath, so when the kick-up feet are used, expect this to slide around the table. With the kick-up feet retracted, the rubber feet keep it stable. I used this keyboard for CSGO and Mir 4. I did not feel any delay whatsoever, so you won't have any trouble with this when gaming. Okay, now let's head over to the pros and the cons. And the pros first. Number 1, it's cheap and very much affordable. Number 2, the lights are bright, but we'll talk more about this in the cons. Okay, so now for the cons. Number 1, it's not the best in terms of build quality. Number 2, when you have the kick-up feet out, they just move around the desk, even if you have a mouse pad. And the third is that the LED is not cycling, so whatever color you have assigned to the key will not change. This keyboard, being a budget keyboard, sounds a bit messy, as you've heard in the sound test, but this is something I expected. Overall, if my budget for a mechanical keyboard is only at around 800 pesos, I think this would pass. But I cannot vouch for this keyboard's lifespan, as I have only had this for a week now. Did you like today's video? Give me a sub, leave me a like, and I'll see you guys again next time. This is Biboyharanero. Bye-bye.